prior, I teach doing a giveaway through my channel. The rules are very simple. I'll let you know in my next upload. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm making another dragon fruit smoothie. It's healthy, nutritious and simple to make. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. There are so many great health benefits from dragon fruits. They are high in nutrients and loaded with fiber. It can strengthen your immune system and boost iron levels. And they are a good source of magnesium, calcium, phosphorus and other minerals. Plus they have protein, omega fatty acids and are rich in antioxidants. Wow, what an amazing fruit. Cut it and peel the skin off. I've already uploaded a dragon fruit smoothie recipe before, but this time I'm just adding apple. Chop them up. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is an old Welsh proverb that most of us are familiar with. But what makes this fruit so special? What health benefits are associated with eating apples? They are rich in important antioxidants and dietary fiber. They also help improve neurological health, reduce the risk of stroke, lower bad cholesterol, reduce your risk of diabetes and breast cancer. These two fruits pack quite a 1-2 punch. Take an apple, peel the skin, and chop it up. I'm going to make a small portion. For 1 cup of chopped dragon fruit, I'm using a 1/2 cup of chopped apple. Put the chopped dragon fruits and apples in a mixing jar. The next ingredient I'm using is plain yogurt. Plain yogurt have lots of health benefits. Into that, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using organic plain yogurt. Add milk. I like to use 2% organic milk, but you may use whole milk as well. Unbleached sugar is much healthier than granulated white sugar. Add sugar to your taste. I'm using organic unbleached cane sugar. And finally, oh, this is my favorite. They are wonderful and push this recipe over the top. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids rich in antioxidants and they provide fiber, iron and calcium. Add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. Blend them well. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Add ice cubes and serve. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.